Hi everyone, it's been a few years since I've ridden a motorbike and since I've had a motorbike, but we've been sent a motorbike accident clip and we're going to have a little look at it today. So let's get straight on with it and have a little look at the clip. It's the motorbike from the opposite direction, the other side of the corner, that we're watching.
Jesus Christ.
Just to clarify a few things, it was the motorcyclist who actually sent me in the clip. He must have got the footage from the actual car driver that he hit. So a massive thanks to both of them for getting together and getting this clip to me. You can see straight from the off that the car driver, or the cammer who the motorbike hit, did a good job. It happened in a blink of an eye. It happened really quickly, and if you look closely, the camera did actually try and move away to the left hand side, and that's probably just instinct. You don't really think about these situations when they happen, they just happen and you do something, but luckily enough instinct probably helped a little. The motorcyclist was unfortunately a little injured with this clip. I would have expected maybe a little bit more depending on who was following the camera, but the motorcyclist did break a finger. Now, he got away with it quite lightly if you ask me. It was a good job he was wearing all the protective gear, and I'm forever going on about that whenever I get a motorcycle clip. So don't skimp and save on your protective gear. Wear it all and wear it all the time. Now we're going to have a little look at what the motorcyclist did wrong to get him into this situation in the first place. The first thing I'd like to point out is the date. This only happened recently and the weather's reasonably cold and it looks quite slippy. The next thing is this sign, warning of slippy roads. Now, I can't be certain, but if there's one this side of the corner, I'm suspecting there's probably one the other side. As I pause the clip and start zooming in, you can see the dampness on the road clearly. And also, is that a sign? Could that be the warning of the slippy road surface the other side of the corner? There are a couple of other things I'd like to point out about the motorcyclist. If we cross view over the field, we can actually see the motorbike in its proximity to the horse box. Has he just overtaken? I think he just has, and that's why he's coming in way too fast. With this next part, I'd like to call on the experience of some of you bikers out there. I think that this motorcyclist actually steers the wrong way. Let me explain. To get a bike around a corner, if you're travelling at higher speed, you actually need to lean the bike down. The more you lean it down, the more it actually turns. And to do this, you do need to do something that we call counter steering. If the motorcyclist at this point had pushed forward with his left hand, or in other words, steered the bars more to the right, he would have probably gone round the corner okay. But he doesn't. I'll take this forward a few frames and hopefully I'll be able to point out what I mean. As I zoom in, have a quick look if you can at the front wheel position now. You can even look at the handlebars and the arm position. He's turned the handlebars to the left, actually causing understeer, and it's this slide that takes the motorbike down. I think this motorcyclist has panicked looking at the car in front rather than looking far around the corner. And to all the experienced bikers out there, please correct me if I'm wrong. What won't be in dispute though is how lucky he was that the camera wasn't a 40-ton lorry towing a trailer. So although I haven't got massive experience on motorcycles. I think I've probably ridden maybe 5,000 miles on a motorbike, so I've got a little bit of experience, but not a massive amount. But I did use it for enjoyment, and used to go pretty quick, obviously within the limits. But this is a classic case of not driving within the limits, not necessarily speed limits, but to the conditions. And it's the same whatever vehicle that you operate. If you go beyond what's safe, you're going to come a cropper. So keep safe out there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.